So today let's learn how to paint this beach scene step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Arty Vibes by Sanika. So I'll be teaching you all how to paint this easy beach scene today. For that, first of all, we have taped a A5 size sheet on all the four sides with a masking tape. And with my bigger sized round brush, I am just giving a thin layer of water wash to this entire paper before we start, because we are going to be doing a wet on wet technique over here. So today I'll be painting using the Beyond Ink watercolor inks, and all the details of all the materials that I have used to make this painting are there in the description with the Amazon links, so you can check them out if you want. So right now I have dropped a red watercolor ink drop, an orange watercolor ink drop, and I am dropping a yellow one now. So the paper is already wet, so you can see the color has started spreading on its own due to the wet on wet technique that we are using. So in case you don't have the watercolor inks, don't worry, you can use your normal watercolors for this painting as well. You can either use the watercolor tubes or cakes, but always while using watercolors, remember that you must try to use artist grade watercolors if you want good painting finishes, because the student grade watercolors don't work well in painting. So it's always good to use artist grade watercolors. Not that you need to buy some very expensive ones, but you get nice artist grade watercolors in cheaper rates as well. So I have linked them in the description, so you can check them out as well. So right now I am just using my round brush. This is a 12 number round brush, and I am just going on blending the colors smoothly into each other. So even if you use any type of watercolors, the process will be similar. So I have blended in the red and orange nicely, and now I'll be blending in my yellow nicely. I'll just add in a little more of yellow and just spread it on nicely downwards. So this watercolor inks that I am using are actually really great pigmented and work really well and give nice vibrant shades, and also are very good in blending. You will be able to see it now as well, and once it dries up you will be able to see it very clearly that the blending is really smooth. So I'll just like to tell you all that this video is not sponsored by these watercolor inks or anyone, but I'll definitely recommend you those because they worked really great for me. So I am just leaving a link of that below. If you wish to check them out, you can. So the paper has completely dried up. You can see the colors, they have dried up completely, and I am just using my black watercolor now. So these are the other watercolors that I am talking about. So right now I am not using the inks to detail out the painting. I am using my normal watercolors. So these, if you have seen my earlier videos, you might be aware that I have customized these watercolor pans, which you can see by filling them up with tubes. So in case you have not seen that video, you can just check out the video of converting watercolor tubes into pans, which is there on my channel, and I'm sure you will benefit a lot from that video. So right now I am just painting a coconut tree with a black color, and I am using a 4 number round brush for that. So this is a normal synthetic very affordable Camlin brush which I am using. It works really great and is amazing for beginners. So just observe carefully the kind of strokes I am using to make the leaves of coconut tree. So I am just drawing the branch, the central part, with a very thin stroke, and after that I am using my 4 number brush, and with that I am just pressing the brush lightly and lifting it up as I move forward in the stroke of the leaf. So in that way I am getting a slightly thicker starting of the leaf, and as I go to the edge it is going on thinner and pointy. So if you are here with me till now and have seen this video till here, just drop in a like and drop in a comment, because that will be really helpful for me to make more videos, and I'll also get to know what you all think about my videos. Also, if you have any questions or doubts, you can just drop them in the video comment and I'll be glad to solve them up in the upcoming videos. So again, I am planning to start a new watercolor series since it is July, and July is the watercolor month if you are not aware of it yet. So for this month, I am planning to start a nice floral series with many floral art tutorials coming up on my YouTube channel. So if you are interested in watching that, then make sure that you have hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon, because that will help you get regular updates about my new videos and you will be able to see it when they are live. So make sure to tap the bell icon which is right there besides the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I'll be coming up with many new video tutorials which are like detailed voiceover tutorials on my channel this month, and all of them will be watercolor florals mostly. So I'll be glad if you join in with me and try them out. If you try these paintings which I am making for you all, then you can just post them on Instagram on your post or stories and tag me along, or else you can just DM them to me. I'll be really glad to see them. My Instagram handle is Arty Vibes by Sanika. So in case you are not following me there, you can do that and you can DM me all your doubts, or you can send me all your paintings there as well. So now I'm just making a nice ground line with the black color itself. And let's add some grass. So again, I am using the same 4 number round brush for all of these elements. So now I'll just use some scarlet red color. If you don't have a scarlet red, you can use any of the light red or orange shades that you have for this. And with my same brush, I am just drawing a few strokes horizontally from left to right to make the nice sea water. Keep the color watery, don't keep it too pigmented, because we don't want the lines of the water to be the highlight of this painting. So we are keeping it slightly subtle and light. And now let's just take some white color. I am using the watercolor white itself, and let's add a sun and the reflection of the sun with that. If you want, you can also use a gouache white or acrylic white for this, if your watercolor white is not clearly seen, but I am just using the watercolor white right now. I think it looks beautiful. It's almost done. We'll just add some birds flying in the sky. Make sure that they are very thin and small. Use the smallest brush that you have if you are not able to draw thinner lines with a 4 number brush. And I'll just add those birds, and then we can remove the tape and the painting will be done. So if you like the painting, just drop in a comment so that I'll also get to know if you're liking the videos. And again, another tip, while removing the tape, make sure that your paper is dried up completely and remove the tape in the outward direction. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you again in the next video. Till then, you can share this video via WhatsApp or Instagram to your friends and family who like to paint.